Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to create 3D animation using an AI tool. In this AI tutorial, we will convert any existing video into a 3D animation with just a few clicks. I will also show you how to create your own 3D character easily. By following this step-by-step guide that takes only 7 minutes, I hope you can create your own 3D animation movie. So, let's get started.
Part 1. Create Account. To begin using the video to 3D animation converter, you need to create a DeepMotion AI account. You can find the link in the video description. Click the Sign Up button to create a new DeepMotion AI account. Part 2. Create 3D characters. After logging into DeepMotion AI, click on the Animate 3D menu. You can follow the guide by clicking the Get Started button. Now, click on the 3D Models menu. In this example, we will use the Ready Player Me avatar generator. First, choose your body type. You can upload your photo to convert it into a 3D avatar, or you can choose the Continue Without Photo option. Next, select an avatar model and click Next to proceed. You can customize the skin color, basic face shape, and various face details like eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and hair. Additionally, you can change the avatar's hairstyle, outfit, accessories, and makeup. Once everything is set, click the Next button. You can register with Ready Player Me or choose Continue Without Sign Up. Finally, enter your character's name and click the Save button to store all the avatar information. Part 3. Generate 3D AI animation. Now, from the DeepMotion AI dashboard, go to the Animate 3D menu and click on 3D Models. Select your 3D avatar character and click the Create Animation button. Upload your video. In this example, I'm using a jogging video. Rename your file if needed and trim or crop the video using the Trim and Crop button if necessary. Once done, click the Save button. Go to the Video Output menu and enable the MP4 output option. Uncheck the Include Original Video option and change the custom background to a solid green color. Set the camera mode to cinematic and enable or disable shadow and audio output as desired. When ready, click the Create button to convert your video into a 3D animation using DeepMotion AI. After the generation process is complete, click the Download button, select MP4 format, and click Download to save your animation video. Part 4. Create Animated Background. Now let's create an animated background for our video using Canva. Go to the Canva dashboard and choose the Video menu. Then, navigate to the Elements menu and search for Animation in the search bar. Expand the video results and select your desired video animation. Right-click on it and set it as the background. Download your animated background video. Part 5. Editing. To combine the 3D video animation and animated background, use a video editor such as Wondershare Filmora. Import your animated background and 3D animation video. Place the animated background on the first video layer and position the 3D video animation on the upper layer. Click on the 3D animation video, select the chroma key button, and use the color picker to select the green screen area. Resize the 3D animation video to match the background and trim or adjust its speed as needed. In this example, we'll slow down the background speed. Once everything is set, click the Export button, enter your file name, and adjust the video resolution and quality if necessary. Here is the video result from this Deep Motion AI tutorial.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to support me. See you in the next artificial intelligence tutorial video.
Bye.